Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever used Jira and wondered how exactly issues move through different stages, from to do all the way to done, then this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to view the Jira workflow diagram in step-by-step, fast and easy. Let's dive right in. First, let's quickly understand what a Jira workflow actually is. Think of it as a visual roadmap for your issues, showing every stage an issue goes through, along with the possible transitions between them. It's not just a fancy chart, it's essential for effective project management, helping you identify blockers, improve efficiency, and maintain clear visibility of your team's progress. All right, now let's jump into Jira. Start by logging into your Jira account through your company's URL, something like your company.atlassian.net. Once you're on the dashboard, head over to Your Work to access your personal workspace. Next, select the project you want to explore. If you don't see it immediately, check the Projects or All Projects tab. Jira keeps everything organized, but sometimes a little tucked away. Now, open the Issues tab. This is your central hub for all the tickets, bugs, and tasks in that project. You'll see a list of issues. Pick one that you want to analyze. Once you open the issue, you'll find detailed information like status, assignee, and type. Here's the key step. Near the status field, click on View Workflow. This will instantly open the workflow diagram for that specific issue. And there it is, your entire workflow map in one clean visual layout. You'll see all possible statuses and the transitions between them, showing exactly how tasks move through your team's process. This is super useful for spotting bottlenecks or figuring out where things slow down. Keep in mind, workflows can vary from one project to another. Admins can customize them based on how your team works, so what you see may differ depending on the setup. And that's it. You've now learned how to view and understand Jira workflows like a pro. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick Jira and project management tutorials, and drop a comment if you'd like me to cover how to customize your own workflows next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.